However, the first official Tsar would be Ivan's grandson, Ivan IV, who has come down through history as Ivan the Terrible. But was he really all that terrible? Was he really? Well, let's find out. First, Ivan went on the offensive, annexing the remains of the Tatar lands and vastly expanding Russia's territory in the east. Then he promulgated a code of laws, formed Russia's first standing army, and commissioned St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow. That's the one with all those funny things on top of it. So far, none of that sounds too bad. Oh, wait a minute. I guess he had the architect blinded so he could never create anything so beautiful again. Next, Ivan implemented the Oprichnina, a secret police force to capture, torture, and murder his own nobles. He also started the long-standing Russian tradition of exiling his enemies to Siberia. But you know, I've always wondered, what about all the people who already live in Siberia? How do you punish them? What could be possibly worse than living in Siberia?
Take him to Detroit.
No! No, not Detroit! No! No, please! Anything but that! No!
Supposedly, Ivan had 6 or possibly 8 wives, all of whom died under mysterious circumstances. At one point, Moscow burned to the ground, and the city of Novgorod, the one holdout who were attempting to rule themselves as a republic, you guessed it, they were all massacred. Oh, and Ivan also murdered his own beloved son in a fit of madness. So I guess he was pretty terrible after all. And if you thought things were going to improve after Ivan the Terrible, well, you just haven't been paying any fucking attention.